Good morning. So we're going to talk a little bit about that error message that you've been getting here. I've duplicated two helmets onto the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and put an operation on here, Operation Plasma Cut. Now my screen has a lot of different options, but just going to go ahead and hit OK. I've already set my layer to color 0. In this case, I mean, the name of the layer will always differ depending on the art file. I just have it set to some pretty basic defaults, and when I go to hit OK, nothing happens. However, and that's because I have this duplicate selected here. So I'm going to actually go to my nesting tool and select the initial file, the file that's not duplicated, and then go Operation Plasma Cut. And one of the most critical portions of this entire setup is making sure that you've selected your layer here. If you haven't selected the layer, it's not going to know what layer to cut. Even if it's a single layer process, SheetCam won't know what layer to cut simply because it's not selected there. Now in this case, I've already selected it, so it doesn't know how to not select the layer that I've just put in there. But keep that in mind. We always need to select the layer in SheetCam for it to understand that. If you are selecting a layer and there's nothing on that layer, that's a different issue. But when you do Operation Plasma Cut and you're here and you're at your contour method and layer, make sure you select the layer and you should be good to go. And again, if you're having a different issue outside of that, we can break this down further. But this is the typical resolution.